When you find a situation where you need some inspiration, there's an open invitation. This could be a revelation. It's true. Well, do.
Okay, so we're going to create an interactive Google form by adding in some YouTube videos. Keep in mind you can pause me as I go and do along with me. That way your assignment for the next section is done when you finish the video. So I'm in my Google Forms 101 folder. I'm going to go up to New, go down to More, and click on Google Forms and Create and Share. All right, as we dive in, I'm going to be creating something that I have some YouTube videos up here that I've already searched out, which can be helpful. And I will link those videos in the Canvas course too, so that you can have them open as a tab just like I do. So for my title, I'm going to title this, What Would You Change About the World? And then in the form description, I'll just say, watch the following video and share your thinking as you go. And then when it comes to the very first question, I'm going to do name. And because we always need to remind kids, first and last, please. I'm going to turn required on. I'm going to click the add question, and I'm going to ask for the period, what period they're in. I'll type this out, period 1, period 2, period 3. I'm on prep on 4, so period 5, period 6, and period 7. Make that required as well. Okay, so now I'm going to add a video, and I'm going to go ahead and do the URL because I have the video ready to go right here. So I'm just going to copy my URL, and I'm going to paste it. That's the video I want. I'm going to put it in there. I'm going to go to these 3 dots in the corner, and I want to center align the video just because it looks nice. I also don't like that this is not titled, so I'm going to go back up to the top and just click and title that. What would you do? Sure, fine. Grab the title for me. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and ask a question about the video. I'll say, what would you change about the world? Now remember that these, it's a paragraph, which is what I want. Remember that these sections here are going to be the headers of your spreadsheet column, so you don't want them to be too long. So if you have additional information, the trick is to go down to these 3 dots here in the corner and go to description, and then you can type more information, like in a short paragraph, explain what you would change about the world and include examples or an explanation why. Okay, so I added a little bit of an extra piece there. I'm going to go ahead and say that that's required before moving on. I'm going to add a new section, and we're going to talk about how sections can be used for branching forms in the next video. But this is going to be a new section where I'm going to have how the kids are going to do that. So I'm going to say how to change the world. Okay. Now this is where I'm going to put another video. So I'm going to go over here to the video, add video image or section. And this is the kid president video that I want. So I'm going to go back to my form and paste the URL. That's what I want. Add that in. Remember, I want to center align the video. Perfect. Then I want to add a question. What is your plan of action? Now keep in mind, you could do this with me, or you could find your own videos and add those in. I'm going to add the description again, and I'm going to say, if you could do just one thing this year to make a difference, what will it be? I'm going to make that required. And I'm going to add one more question. What's cool about using YouTube videos in classrooms like this is the ability to actually ask the kids if they have any cool videos that they have seen lately. Crowdsource, right? help add to my YouTube collection. And we're going to keep it as, we're going to make it a short answer. I'm going to go down to the description and I'm going to say, what video, article, image would be good to add to this collection? Share the link if possible. Explain why it would be good to add to class. I mean, no sense in like you trying to constantly come up with videos. If the kids have great videos that mean something to them, why not let them add to it? I'm not going to make that a required question because if a kid doesn't have anything to add, then they can just submit the form. So we're going to go ahead and stop there. So now we've created this awesome 2-sectioned interactive Google form, which would be really fun for the kids to watch a video and to respond to you.